Welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate SureCart with Academy LMS. To do that, first you need to install and activate the SureCart plugin. Also, don't forget the Academy LMS and its Pro version. Once done, you must activate the SureCart add-on. Make sure you have already created a course. If you don't have one yet, simply create one. Now you need to create a product on SureCart. Next, set the price of your created product. You can even add tax if required. If you want to limit the purchase on this, you can do that. Now for the integration part, select Academy LMS in the Add New Integration. Also select the preferred course from the Course Access section. Great! Now that the course is integrated with SureCart, you're all set. Now we can see that the course price has been added. So let's hit purchase and voila, it's ready for purchase. There you go! You have integrated SureCart with Academy LMS. Like and subscribe for more tutorials.